Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone to consider: retirement planning. Whether you're in your 20s or nearing retirement age, it's never too early or too late to start thinking about your future. In this video, we'll be discussing the things you need to know before retiring so you can enjoy your golden years to the fullest. Retirement planning is more than just setting aside money for the future. It's about ensuring financial security, maintaining your lifestyle, and having the freedom to pursue your passions without the stress of financial worries. Being well prepared for retirement can make all the difference in how you experience this new chapter of your life. By understanding the importance of retirement planning and taking proactive steps now, you can set yourself up for a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. From budgeting and saving strategies to investment options and healthcare considerations, there's a lot to consider when planning for retirement. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it all in an informative and engaging way. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's explore the essential things you need to know before retiring. Let's get started. Financial planning. When it comes to retirement, financial planning is key to ensuring a secure and comfortable future. Saving and investing for retirement is crucial, as it allows you to build a nest egg that will support you during your golden years. By starting early and consistently contributing to your retirement accounts, you can take advantage of compounding interest and grow your savings over time. Two common retirement accounts that you should be familiar with are the 401k and IRA. A 401k is the employer-sponsored retirement plan that allows you to contribute a portion of your pre-tax income, while an IRA, individual retirement account, is a personal retirement account that offers tax advantages for your contributions. Understanding the differences between these accounts and choosing the right one for your financial goals is essential for effective retirement planning. Inflation is another factor that can significantly impact your retirement savings. As the cost of living increases over time, the purchasing power of your savings decreases. It's important to account for inflation when planning for retirement to ensure that your savings will be enough to cover your expenses in the future. By staying informed and proactive about your financial planning, you can navigate these challenges and build a solid foundation for a secure retirement. Healthcare considerations. As you plan for retirement, it's essential to consider your healthcare needs to ensure a healthy and secure future. Understanding Medicare coverage and eligibility is crucial, as it plays a significant role in providing healthcare benefits for retirees. Medicare is a federal health insurance program for individuals aged 65 and older, as well as certain younger people with disabilities. Familiarize yourself with the different parts of Medicare, such as Part A, hospital insurance, and Part B, medical insurance, to make informed decisions about your healthcare coverage in retirement. Long-term care planning is another important aspect to consider when preparing for retirement. Long-term care services, such as nursing home care or in-home assistance, can be costly and may not be fully covered by Medicare. By exploring long-term care insurance options and creating a plan for potential future care needs, you can protect yourself from financial burdens and ensure access to quality care as you age. The potential costs of healthcare in retirement can vary depending on your health status, location, and insurance coverage. It's important to budget for healthcare expenses, including premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket costs, to avoid unexpected financial strain in retirement. By proactively addressing healthcare considerations and planning for your future needs, you can enjoy peace of mind and focus on living a fulfilling retirement lifestyle. Social Security benefits. Social Security benefits play a significant role in retirement planning, providing a source of income for millions of Americans. Understanding how Social Security benefits work is essential for maximizing your financial security in retirement. Several factors can affect the amount of Social Security benefits you receive, including your earnings history, the age at which you start claiming benefits, and any other sources of income you may have. Deciding on the best age to start claiming Social Security is a crucial consideration. While you can start claiming benefits as early as age 62, delaying your benefits can result in higher monthly payments. The full retirement age, which is between 66 and 67 depending on your birth year, is when you can receive your full Social Security benefits. By waiting to claim benefits until after your full retirement age, you can increase your monthly payments and potentially maximize your overall benefits over time. To maximize your Social Security benefits, consider implementing strategies such as coordinating benefits with your spouse, optimizing your claiming age based on your financial goals, and exploring options for spousal or survivor benefits. By carefully planning and strategizing your Social Security benefits, you can make informed decisions that support your financial well-being throughout retirement. Estate planning. Estate planning is a crucial aspect of retirement preparation that often gets overlooked. It involves making decisions about how your assets will be managed and distributed after your passing, ensuring that your wishes are carried out and your loved ones are provided for. Wills, trusts, and power of attorney are essential components of estate planning that can help protect your assets and ensure a smooth transition of wealth to your beneficiaries. A will is a legal document that outlines how you want your assets to be distributed upon your death, while trusts can provide additional control and flexibility in managing your estate. Power of attorney grants someone the authority to make financial or healthcare decisions on your behalf if you become incapacitated. By establishing these documents, you can have peace of mind, knowing that your affairs are in order and your loved ones are taken care of. Estate taxes can have significant implications on your retirement assets, potentially reducing the amount that your beneficiaries receive. Understanding the impact of estate taxes and implementing strategies to minimize their effects can help preserve your wealth for future generations. Additionally, regularly updating your beneficiaries on retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and other assets is crucial to ensure that your wishes are accurately reflected and that your loved ones receive the intended benefits. By prioritizing estate planning in your retirement strategy, you can protect your legacy and provide for your family's financial security. Retirement lifestyle. Transitioning into retirement is not just about financial planning. It also involves preparing for lifestyle changes that come with this new chapter of life. Retirement offers the opportunity to explore new hobbies, travel to dream destinations, and engage in social activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Whether it's picking up a new hobby like painting or gardening, embarking on a bucket list trip, or joining clubs and groups to meet like-minded individuals, retirement provides the freedom to pursue passions and interests that may have been put on hold during your working years. The psychological aspects of retirement are also important to consider. For many individuals, retirement can bring a mix of emotions, including excitement, uncertainty, and even a sense of loss. It's normal to experience a period of adjustment as you transition from a structured work routine to a more flexible lifestyle. Finding purpose and meaning in retirement, whether through volunteer work, continued learning, or spending quality time with loved ones, can help navigate this emotional transition and create a sense of fulfillment. Staying active and engaged in retirement is key to maintaining physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Regular exercise, social interactions, and mental stimulation are essential for a healthy retirement lifestyle. By staying active and involved in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, you can make the most of your retirement years and create a fulfilling and vibrant lifestyle. We explored the significance of financial planning, healthcare considerations, Social Security benefits, estate planning, and lifestyle changes in retirement. By understanding these aspects and taking proactive steps, you can set yourself up for a secure and fulfilling retirement. One of the most crucial takeaways is the importance of early retirement planning. Starting early and consistently saving and investing for retirement can make a significant difference in your financial security and overall well-being in your later years. By taking the time to plan and prepare for retirement now, you can enjoy a comfortable and stress-free future. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips for your retirement journey. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these retirement tips. Stay tuned for more informative content on retirement planning and financial wellness. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's never too early to start planning for your retirement.